Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Lyrics. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about favorite by Fondness DC. Track 11th on the album on Revenge producer James Ford. This song released on 18 June 2024. Once again, I say welcome back if you're a new viewer or an old viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video link of my website gillyrics.com. If you want read this lyrics, you can see in description. Visit my website gillyrics.com. We were encouraging each other to be who we believed ourselves to be all the time. Crane Chetan lead vocals, Fontaine's TC. With the best bands, it seems to happen fast. The trajectory, it's steep, the progression seemingly preordained, inexorable. Assembling Hill still at college in Dublin a mere 3 years ago from the ruins of early now here bands and having discovered a shared love of poetry and a common zeal for authentic self-expression, the evolution of Fontaine's DC has been swift, sure, and seemingly effortless. Three self-released onward from its predecessor and a relentless schedule of live shows have seen them progress at a prodigious yet wholly logical pace through around 200 dates in the UK, Europe, and the US. One word has kept resurfacing in their characteristically eloquent yet direct interviews authenticity. I think there's an authenticity to what we do, and people have been starved of authenticity for too long. Chetan said in one early Irish radio encounter, no youthful bravado, but a truthful reflection of the shared code that has guided these five young best friends this for with what has occasionally seemed a preternatural combination of innocence and self-belief. This commitment to the authentic in their music and in each other is key to understanding the fondness this aesthetic. In the course of going round bars, drinking the writing, poetry, and romanizing it to bits. According to bassist Connor Deegan, the band pushed each other to create, always keeping a collective eye on keeping it real. We had called each other out. Chetan has explained, adding through each other, we found ourselves a lot quicker. Alongside this commitment to each other and the shared call and other overarching formative dynamic was at work. Dublin city itself, more specifically, the disappearing Dublin embodied most readily in their immediate surroundings the old working class neighborhood known as the Liberties. As with so many of our cities, the modern malaise of gentrification is steadily claiming vast swaths of the Irish capital. Sure, that's progress, but the underlying cultural cost of this airbrushing of an environment is something that has Chetan feeding into much of the Fontaine's lyrical content, and indeed the early singles at work, which featured long gone semi mythical figures like Bang Bang and 40 Cards, real life, cohesive, Dignation characters, legendary in their own time but now becoming lost in the city's fading folklore. Chetan speaks of writing about the Jain romance of the city. The reason we love the liberties is that seems to be where a lot of that action is happening. Or in the world of guitarist Connor Curley, from talking to these guys about pleasure, I saw Irishness as being easily romantic about what you see. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you did like this video, subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.